This is how Sophie Rain makes millions on your OnlyFans just by leveraging X alone. Now, it's a simple funnel, but it is very effective. All right, so the first thing that Sophie's team is doing is they seem to be reaching out to influencers of all sizes. It could range from 5K followers to 2 million followers. And they can either do this by reaching out in the DMs, just seeing if they want to shout out, or you can go to websites like this. We actually find and pay people. So you obviously pay them based on their following, based on their reach. And what you'll do is you'll get them to post something very simple. Now, a lot of people think, I say a lot of people, but girls mainly, they think if they post something with a call to action like join my OnlyFans, then it will get guys to want to join the OnlyFans. But no, the actual way to do it is by not mentioning OnlyFans, and you just let them follow through. So it's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs. So if you go to replies, you'll see what Sophie's team is doing. I say team because you really think it's just her doing this? Really? And TikTok and chatting? Really? Anyway, here we go. So you'll see there's all these different accounts. So here's Man of All Seasons, Tony of Lagos, whoever that is, Simply Nita, Maximus, Poseidon, and the list goes on. And you'll notice that they're just doing the exact same thing. So they're getting the influencer to post something very simple, obviously a provocative photo or video based on what their channel usually posts. So this is probably more on the more provocative side, but usually it's just like a thirst trap image. With a simple caption. So it'll be something about Sophie Rain. Sophie Rain is not tagged. There's no call to action. It's just simple. Sophie Rain, couple of emojis, posted just something you just mentioned, Sophie Rain's name, no tag, as I said, couple of emojis, and a thirst trap. Now that is only half of it. So here you go. Sophie Rain is men losing their minds, emoji, and you'll notice no tag, no call to action. Now that's just half the funnel. The other half of the funnel is you reply to it. So you reply to each one with something similar. It's just a simple response with a couple of lighthearted emojis. No tags, no call to action, and then a thirst trap. You'll notice they do this on all of them. There, you caught me on camera emoji. There you go, thirst trap. Hey, that's me right there, emoji, thirst trap. Haha, that's me, thank you so much, emoji, thirst trap. No mentioning of OnlyFans, no mentioning of any funnel, no call to action. That is the funnel. You reach out to influencers, you get them to post something with a thirst trap, and then you go through and you respond to each of them with another thirst trap. Now the funnel works like this. The influencer makes the post. It gets the attention of all of their followers from the thirst trap. They're all drooling the comments or whatever. And then when the girl herself, who is featured in the post, responds, there is a breadcrumb for them to click on. So they see this response and they go, oh, that's the girl in the photo, and they're drooling and whatever. So they go to click on the profile. Now they go to the profile and they see a simple funnel. Remember, no call to action. Don't mention OnlyFans. Don't tell them what to do. Simple and subtle. Then they go to Sophie Rain's profile and it's just the usual link tree or link me, same thing. And then you click on this, and of course the OnlyFans is listed inside. Now the other clever thing they're doing is they've also set up a community. So if they don't want to click on the link because, their simp might think, of course she just wants money. I'm going to show her, I won't click on the link. I won't go to her OnlyFans, but then they're going to go, what's the next best thing? Sophie's room. So they click on Sophie's room. They join Sophie's community, and all it is just more photos of Sophie. And then even members in the community just post photos of Sophie. Now, there might be a couple of other images that aren't Sophie that people post, but it doesn't matter. It's just achieving the same thing. All you're doing by posting to this community is you're warming up the leads. So a lead might not be ready to make the purchase. They might not be ready to click on the link tree, join the OnlyFans, but I'll tell you what they're ready for, join a free community. And now they're warming themselves up even more because they're scrolling through the community, it's consistently posting, they're turning themselves on, and then eventually they get to the point where they just can't handle it anymore, and then they click the link and go to the OnlyFans. And that's it. Now, if I were doing it, I would only have one link. There would only be the OnlyFans, because otherwise you're going to spread all these people apart. But look, she's making like 50 million a year, so obviously they're doing something right. But if you're starting out and you don't have a million followers like Sophie does, then when you do this, I would just have the OnlyFans. Same with any link tree setup. You just want a single focus point. You just want a single place where you want the people to go, because if they click on the link eventually, then they see all these different options. Their first thought is, where else can I get free content where I can get to see this girl naked? And they've got all these options here to look. Now, it might not have naked photos on it, but you're still distracting them and you're taking them away from clicking on the main link, which you want them to click on, which is of course OnlyFans. So that's the only thing I would do differently. But I love what this team's doing. It's exactly how I operate. It's exactly what I drill into my agency, is subtle. You never mention call to actions. You just lay the breadcrumbs and they follow through. It's what we do on dating apps, Reddit. It works flawlessly. It's counterintuitive to a lot of people, but it works the best. So I love following this team, seeing what they do, because I think they're just doing it so right. Same with just the thirst traps. You know, you don't want to go posting your tits all over the internet, because you're just giving away your leverage. But anyway, that's it. So I thought I'd take a break from Reddit this week, because we're turning it just a Reddit channel. But yeah, anyway, that's it. So as usual, if you like the video and you don't think I'm full of shit, then click the link below, join my school. You find a whole bunch of other shit in there. Full Reddit methods, full safe for work Reddit methods, full dating apps, full everything, chatting scripts. It's all in there, along with me, 100 others of us. You'll find us in there. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.